Hi, I'm Christie, and welcome back to All About Food. Today I'm going to teach you how to make malunggay pesto. If you're looking for food delivery here in Rizal, please visit Majinbo Food Services. The link is in the description down below. This video will help St. Martin Montessori Open High School program students to learn how to make malunggay pesto.
For malunggay pesto, we need 1 cup dry malunggay leaves, 1 head garlic minced, half a cup cheddar, 1/4 cup peanuts chopped, half a cup extra virgin olive oil, 1 tablespoon dry basil leaves, measuring cup and spoon, turner, and a frying pan. Preheat the pan. Pour the extra virgin olive oil. Add the minced garlic and saute for 10 to 15 seconds. Turn off the heat and add the malunggay leaves. Add the basil leaves, mix until the malunggay is hydrated with olive oil. Add the chopped nuts, add the cheese, Mix it well. You may or not use food processor for this recipe. For pasta, boil water in a casserole. When the water is boiling, put your pasta, boil it for 7 minutes, stirring occasionally to avoid your pasta from sticking together. Our finished product, Malunggay Pesto.
I am now monetized. Thank you very much to all my subscribers. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to my channel. Hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. Have a great day. Thank you for watching.